So if you don't know by now, this software right here called Journalist AI allows you to generate all this AI content with a featured image, with an interactive table of contents, with internal links, so linking out to other articles you've written, external links linking out to authoritative sources in your niche, internal images, in-article images, in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, bullets, tables, all this, and also a call to action down here to your offer or service. So all this done with AI. And so what Journalist does, essentially, once connected with your site, it does the content generation, plus it does the publishing, because you can also set up an auto blog right here, which allows you to publish the content every single day on autopilot, however many articles you want. But also, on top of that, we also do indexing, right? So we allow you to automatically submit and try, quote unquote, force index the articles you generate using Journalist AI. And I'll show you how that works in just a second here. But also on top of that, you can also do keyword monitoring. We also connect your domain right here, and we take in your domain, we take in your site, your competitors as well, and give you all the keywords that you should be producing content for with a certain difficulty, ideally low difficulty, and some decent search, monthly search volumes. You can just select the ones you want and have Journalist publish content for you. So again, Journalist AI, once connected with your site, and again, your site could be WordPress, Shopify, Wix, all those, it does the keyword research for you, that's okay. It does the generation of the content, it does the publishing, and also does the indexing, which is what I want to show you right now. If you go here to indexers, just click new indexer. And it's pretty simple. You just give it a name, you connect it with Google, it's going to connect to Google Search Console, and once that's done, every single article you produce and have published with your autoblog to your integration, again, your integration could be any one of these, WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Bloggers API, an external API even. You set up an autoblog, which you can set up to run and produce 300 articles every single month, weekday, every 12 or 6 hours, or most people just go with 5, right? But you can do whatever you want. Once you hit save, again, Journalist AI will be connected with your website and will be publishing, in this case, 5 articles every single day, right? These are 5 articles, more 5 next day, right? And again, if we expand on one of these right here and look at the article, every single article is going to have a featured image, a table of contents, proper article structure, in-article images, in-article videos, internal links, so linking out to other blog posts you've written. So these will interlink, right, between each other. External links, so linking out to authoritative sources, that's an A, in your niche. So if this article is about finance, we're going to link out to Investopedia, Wikipedia, TechCrunch, right? All these authoritative sources in the finance niche. And also down here, a call to action to your product or service. If you have a Shopify store or an e-commerce store, will link out to your product, or a local businesses or other type of businesses most likely have an offer or a service, will link out to that as well on autopilot, right? So again, content, or actually keyword research plus content generation, it's a G, plus content production, and then content indexing with these indexes right here. And on top of that, if you connect your brand right here, because you can connect your brand, essentially you're connecting your brand with Journalist AI, because your brand has multiple assets, right? Whether that's your YouTube channel, whether that's your Facebook page, whether that's your website as a whole, whether that's some documents, text documents, audio documents, right? Endless, right? A brand has multiple brand assets. You can connect your brand's assets with Journalist AI so that the content that it produces is not generic. The content is brand tailored. And you can also generate content in over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting the international markets, Portugal, France, Spain, so any country in Europe, Asia, the Americas, I mean, you can produce content in over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting again, international markets, this is a great tool, because there tends to be less competition in these markets. So it's easier to rank for multiple keywords in these markets. So it's pretty cool. Again, the thing that I want to show you was the indexing, right? Because once you connect it to, once you connect your Google Search Console with Journalist AI, that's your GSC, Google Search Console, any content you produce, it's going to be automatically forced indexed by our tool. So no need to manually go and submit URLs to Google, because that takes a lot of time. Because if you're producing content in mass, you want someone to help you with managing that. And AI does just that, right? Because the reality is that, and I often give this analogy, right? If you're leveraging AI tools, let's call success up here, right? If you're leveraging AI tools like Journalist, you skip all these steps, right? Because if you were to do this manually, right, keyword research, then creating the content, which means writing it, figuring out the best place to add images, videos, figuring out the best place to add links, internal links, external links. All this takes so much time. I mean, you can use ChatGPT and you skip a couple of steps, right? But you still gotta add the images, still gotta add the links, you add so much stuff, right? And with Journaling, you skip all of these, right? Because it does the keyword research for you, does the generation, does the publishing for any site you want, for WordPress, Wix, Webflow, Shopify, anything, and also the indexing on autopilot for you. So if you're not leveraging AI tools, your competitors will do. So you might as well start now, because AI is the future. And the reality is that by leveraging AI tools, just like this one called Journaling AI, you stand to gain so much more over the competition, because you can do more and so much faster. So that's it. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description. If you're watching this in November, we're running a Black Friday offer special, so grab it. It's on the site. If not, if you're watching this a month later, just go here to this button, message me, and I'll hook you up with the coupon. So yeah, that's it. Try it out. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description and also in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.